Hello, and welcome back to Peaceful Speak English. I'm Anna, and I'm here with my wonderful co host, Mark.
Hey everyone, I'm Mark. I'm usually not peaceful, especially when I'm hungry, so I really need this lesson today. This is for me.
Laugh softly. I think we all need this, Mark. Today, we're talking about speaking with a peaceful heart. This means communicating clearly and kindly, even when you feel annoyed or stressed. We have 7 easy, practical phrases for you to start using today.
7 phrases to make my life better? I'm ready. Let's do it.
Phrase 1, the gentle request. Phrase number 1 is about creating space. When things get heated, try, "Can we pause this discussion for a minute?"
Oh, I desperately need this. Like when my uncle starts telling me his really wild conspiracy theories at dinner, and I just need an immediate exit strategy.
Exactly. It's polite. Remember that word? Polite. And it gives you and the other person time to breathe and cool down. Phrase 2, owning your feelings. Our second phrase is crucial for avoiding blame. Instead of saying, "You made me angry," you should say, "I feel upset when..."
Ah, so this is about ownership. Not, "You ruined my day." But, "I feel upset when you eat my delicious leftovers without asking." Is that right?
Perfect. You are taking responsibility for your own feelings. Notice the word, upset. It's a great word for feeling annoyed but not furious. Phrase 3, showing curiosity. Number 3, show genuine interest in the other person's perspective. Help me understand why you feel that way.
Ooh, that's a deep one. Does it work on my teenage daughter? Help me understand why you need to sleep until 2 p.m. every day.
It shows you are listening, Mark, which is the first step toward peace. It demonstrates empathy.
Phrase 4, stating your intention.
When you think your words were misunderstood, use phrase 4. My intention was to.
So, if I accidentally sent an email that sounded rude, I can write back, "My intention was to be brief, not rude."
Exactly. This clarifies your motive and helps rebuild trust. The word motive is a great vocabulary word here.
Phrase 5, acknowledging input.
Our 5th phrase is about gratitude. Always acknowledge their contribution. I appreciate you sharing that.
I love that. It makes the other person feel valued. Even if I disagree, I can say, "I appreciate you sharing that, but I still think my idea is better."
Laughs. Well, maybe try to keep the second part peaceful too. But yes, appreciate is the key verb.
Phrase 6, seeking a solution.
When you've stated the problem, move to a solution with phrase 6. What solution works best for both of us?
This is the most practical phrase. It shifts the focus from the problem to the future. It's a win-win approach.
It is. It transforms the conversation from a fight into a collaboration. Phrase 7, the thank you. Our final, simple phrase, and possibly the most powerful, "Thank you for listening to me."
I never think to say that. It's such a simple way to end a difficult chat on a high note.
Precisely. It validates the time they spent with you and reinforces positive communication. Use validate in your vocabulary.
Wow, 7 great phrases. That went fast. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Absolutely. Listeners, we encourage you to repeat these 7 phrases slowly and clearly one more time. Let's practice your pronunciation. Phrase 1, the gentle request. Can we pause this discussion for a minute? Phrase 2, owning your feelings. I feel upset when... Phrase 3, showing curiosity. Help me understand why you feel that way. Phrase 4, stating your intention. My intention was to... Phrase 5, acknowledging input. I appreciate you sharing that. Phrase 6, seeking a solution. What solution works best for both of us? Phrase 7. The thank you.
Thank you for listening to me.
And my favorite was, can we pause this discussion for a minute? I'm definitely going to use that one a lot this week.
Remember, Mark is right. Practicing a peaceful heart makes your English better, clearer, and kinder. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more conversations that are easy to follow and focus on valuable life lessons, please hit the like button and subscribe to Peaceful Speak English. And we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, which of the 7 peaceful phrases will you start using today? We love reading your stories.
Thanks for joining us. Practice these phrases, everyone, and we'll see you next time for more Peaceful Speak English.